What is a microservice? A microservice is an application that has the following characteristics. Number 1. Single responsibility principle. Every microservice follows the single responsibility principle. That means, a microservice performs only one business function and does it well. As a result, microservices are highly maintainable and testable. Because of following single responsibility principle, microservices are small units of software which can be developed and maintained by a small group of developers, more than often, by a single developer. Number 2. Autonomous. A microservice enjoys a great degree of autonomy in regard to its choice of language, data model, data persistence, communication contract, etc. This allows evolution of the microservice independent of other microservices in the system. For example, a microservice may decide on its own what types of cache it is going to use or whether to store data in a SQL or in a NoSQL database. Number 3. Self-contained. A microservice is packaged with all of its required dependencies. As a result, it does not require other libraries or packages to be installed on the target machine in order for it to run. For example, if a microservice needs .NET version 5.0 to run, you don't have to install .NET 5.0 on the target machine before installing and running the microservice. Microservices are packaged in a way such that they include all the required OS/platform dependencies. Number 4. Isolation and independence. Deploying a microservice on a target machine will not affect existing software and their dependencies. Microservices can run side by side with other software, possibly using different versions of dependencies. For example, a microservice using .NET version 4.0 will run on a computer, where other applications are using .NET version 5.0, without affecting other applications, or itself getting affected. Number 5. Automatic and independent build and deployment. A microservice is built and deployed using its own build and deployment mechanism, which is independent of build and deployment mechanism of other software, or microservices. As a result, each microservice may have its own version of the software. Also, microservices are typically built and deployed through automated or semi-automated processes, known as build and deployment pipelines.